Where are they taking me? What's going on? Help! Help! This is really far away from home. Oh my, where are we going? Let me out of here. Let me out of here. Help me.
We're here, Miss Molly.
Wait, why is it so empty? Where's all the furniture? Whoa! Wow! What a view! Is that Miss Molly that I hear? Miss Molly! Oh, hi, Bam Bam. Did you miss me? Huh? No. Yeah, right. Where's Mama? She's in the bedroom to the right. Oh. Oh, hi, Mama. Hi. Oh, wait. I smell catnip in here. Is there catnip in here? No, Miss Molly. I took a big dump earlier. That's just my poop that you smell. Nasty, Bam Bam. I know you have nip around here. Give it up, Bam Bam. Mama, where's the nip? There's no nip, Miss Molly. Lame. Open up the bag. I want to go in. I want to go back home to the other place.